Hello everyone, this is Supriya from RPIIT Medical and Technical Campus Karnal. Now, today I am here with a new video. The topic of our video is De-Broglie Hypothesis. So what is De-Broglie Hypothesis? According to De-Broglie Hypothesis, the statement is given as it states that there is a wave which is associated with every moving particle with a velocity v, that is, velocity of this wave is given by this relation, that is lambda is equals to h by p, where lambda is wavelength of wave and h is Planck's constant and p stands for its momentum. As we all know that p momentum is given by the product of mass with its velocity. So the value of Planck's constant h is given by 6.626 into 10 raised to power minus 34 joule seconds. So for proving this hypothesis, we have to consider the case of photon. First of all, we have to consider the case of photon. So according to Planck's theory, the energy of a photon is given by this relation, that is E is equals to h nu. E is equals to h nu, where h is Planck's constant and nu is frequency. Nu is frequency of radiation. If we consider the Einstein equation, according to this equation, E is equals to mc square. From combining this equation number first and this equation number second, we get h nu is equals to mc square, and we get finally the third equation, that is h nu is equals to mc square. So we all know that the momentum is given by p is equals to mass into velocity, but as in case of photon, the photon is traveled with the velocity of light, that is c. So momentum of photon is given by the relation p is equals to mc. Next, till now we stated that according to Planck's relation, E is equals to h nu, energy of photon is given by this relation. According to Einstein consideration, E is equals to mc square. From combining this equation, we get h nu is equals to mc square, and photon and momentum of the photon is given by mc. So if we are going to dividing the third equation number third with equation number fourth, then we get h nu by p is equals to mc square by mc. On cancelling out, we get c on the right hand side, so h by p, finally we get h by p is equals to c by nu. So we all know that wavelength lambda is given by c by nu, so we can write c by nu as its lambda. So h by p is finally the result is h by p is equals to lambda. So photon, according to De-Broglie, wavelength of the photon or wavelength of any moving particle, any material particle like electron, neutron, proton, is given by this relation, that is lambda is equals to h by p. Thanks for watching us. If you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, that is RPIIT Academics. Thanks for watching.